The internet has revolutionized how we work and earn. It's no longer just a source of information, it's a vast marketplace teeming with opportunity. Making money online is a valuable skill in today's world. It offers flexibility, control over your income, and the potential to reach a global audience. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-fledged online business, the internet provides a platform for you to thrive. This digital landscape offers something for everyone. You can leverage your existing skills, explore new interests, and create a work-life balance that suits your individual needs. The beauty of online income is that it's not confined by traditional boundaries. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, set your own hours, and be your own boss. The opportunities to earn online are as diverse as the people seeking them. From freelancing to e-commerce, affiliate marketing to content creation, the options are limitless. The key is to identify your strengths, explore different avenues, and find what resonates with you. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that first step today and explore the exciting world of online income generation. You might be surprised at the doors that open and the potential that awaits you in this digital frontier. Embrace the change, harness the power of the internet, and unlock a world of financial possibilities. Freelancing is a popular way to earn online. It allows you to offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant, there's a market for your expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking your specific skills. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. You choose the projects you want to work on, set your own rates, and manage your own time. This level of autonomy is empowering and allows you to create a work-life balance that suits your lifestyle. Freelancing is also a great way to gain experience, build your portfolio, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. To succeed as a freelancer, focus on delivering high-quality work, building strong client relationships, and marketing your services effectively. Networking is crucial. Connect with other freelancers, join online communities, and showcase your work on social media to attract potential clients. Remember, freelancing is a competitive field, but with dedication, hard work, and a commitment to excellence, you can carve out a successful niche for yourself. E-commerce is another lucrative avenue for online income. It involves selling products online through your own website or established platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You can choose to sell physical products, digital goods, or even dropship products without holding any inventory. The key to success in e-commerce lies in identifying a profitable niche, sourcing or creating high-quality products, and marketing them effectively to your target audience. Building a strong brand identity, providing excellent customer service, and optimizing your online store for search engines are crucial for attracting and retaining customers. E-commerce requires effort and dedication, but the rewards can be substantial. It allows you to build a sustainable business, scale your operations, and reach a global customer base. With the right strategies and a commitment to providing value to your customers, e-commerce can be a fulfilling and profitable online venture. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. You find products you believe in, recommend them to your audience, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This model is particularly attractive because you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Your focus is on driving traffic to the affiliate offer and persuading your audience to make a purchase. Building trust and credibility with your audience is paramount in affiliate marketing. Choose products that align with your niche, provide genuine value to your audience, and offer transparent and honest recommendations. Building an email list, leveraging social media, and creating engaging content that educates and informs your audience are effective strategies for successful affiliate marketing. Section 5. The power of content creation. Content creation is a dynamic and rewarding way to earn online. Whether you're a writer, blogger, YouTuber, podcaster, or social media influencer, creating valuable content that resonates with your audience can open doors to various income streams. The key to successful content creation is to identify your niche, understand your target audience, and consistently produce high-quality content that provides value. Building a strong online presence, engaging with your audience, and promoting your content across various platforms are crucial for growth. Monetizing your content can involve various strategies, such as advertising revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, or even offering premium memberships or courses. The possibilities are endless. Section 6. Online surveys and microtasks, small tasks, real rewards. While not a path to riches, online surveys and microtasks offer a simple way to earn extra cash online. These platforms pay you for completing small tasks, such as taking surveys, watching videos, testing websites, or transcribing audio. The pay for each task is usually small, but it can add up over time, especially if you dedicate a few hours each week. These platforms are great for those seeking a flexible side hustle or looking to earn some extra income during their free time. Be sure to choose reputable platforms, read reviews, and understand the payment terms before investing your time. While these tasks may not be glamorous, they offer a straightforward and accessible way to earn money online. The gig economy has transformed the way people work and earn. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, TaskRabbit, and DoorDash allow you to leverage your time and skills to generate income on your own terms. Whether you're driving passengers, delivering food, completing errands, or offering professional services, the gig economy provides a flexible and accessible way to earn money. You can set your own hours, work around your schedule, and be your own boss. The gig economy can be a great way to supplement your income, explore new opportunities, or even transition to full-time self-employment. It's crucial to understand the platform's terms of service, manage your time effectively, and provide excellent service to maximize your earnings. Investing in your online future is crucial for long-term success. This involves continuously learning new skills, staying updated with industry trends, and adapting to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Consider taking online courses, attending webinars, reading industry blogs, and networking with other online entrepreneurs. Embrace new technologies, explore emerging platforms, and be open to experimenting with different income streams. The online world is dynamic and constantly changing. By investing in your knowledge and skills, you'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges, seize new opportunities, and thrive in the digital marketplace. The journey to online income generation begins with a single step. Choose a path that resonates with your skills, interests, and goals. Start small, experiment, and learn as you go. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Consistency, dedication, and a willingness to adapt are crucial for success. The online world is vast and competitive, but with perseverance and a commitment to providing value, you can carve out your own niche and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that first step today and embark on your exciting adventure in the world of online income generation. The digital revolution has empowered individuals like never before. The internet has democratized access to information, opportunities, and income. Anyone with an internet connection can participate in this global marketplace and create their own financial future. Embrace the change, harness the power of the internet, and explore the limitless possibilities that await you. Whether you're seeking financial freedom, creative expression, or a flexible work-life balance, the online world provides a platform for you to thrive. The journey may be challenging at times, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Believe in yourself, stay persistent, and never stop learning. The digital revolution is here, and it's time to seize the moment and create the future you desire. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting facts.